Hi there, it's maths time today and we are looking at a new number. And the number we are looking at is number 16. This is number 16. The number 1 always goes first and the number 6 goes afterwards, and it's number 16. Can you say that for me? 16. It's really important that you say it correctly and that you write it correctly, because if you wrote it the wrong way round and you wrote a 6 first and then a 1, it's a different number. That number's 61. And we're not learning about 61 today. We're learning about 16. A 1 and a 6. I wondered if you could have a go at writing it. So start at the top and go down to the bottom. And then for your number 6, you start at the top, you go all the way round, and then you circle back round. Number 16, look, mine's disappeared. Could you tell me how to write it, please? What number do I write first? That's right, I'm going to write a number 1. What number do I write next? That's right, it's a number 6. What number have you told me to write? 16. Absolutely right. So we need to now count to 16. So let's get our hands warmed up. Let's go. Hands up high, hands down low, hands in the middle, get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We counted to 16 in ones. I'm wondering if we can count to 16 in twos. Should we give it a go? Okay, let's go. Remember, we're not counting in ones, we're counting in twos. So let's go. Hands up high, hands down low, hands in the middle, get ready to go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We counted to number 16 in twos. Well done. Let's have a look when number 16 is on our number line. Who can spot it? Can you see it? Should we count from 0 to see if we can find it? So I'm going to have to put it like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's all the way over here. What's 1 more than 16? So we can find this out on a number line, can't we? We can find out what number 1 more than 16 is because we can do 1 hop. Oop. We've done a hop. And it gets to number 17. So 1 more than 16 is number 17. Let's go back to 16. Put your finger on 16. What's 1 less than 16? Remember, that's taking away. That's getting less. So we do our bunny hop this way. 1 bunny hop. Whoop. 1 less than 16 is 15. So it helps us understand what 1 more and 1 less is, because it helps us work out where that number is on our number line. So we've got 16. So I'm just going to leave the number line at the moment, and we are going to find different ways of making 16. Oh dear, let's have a look. So I have got my number 10 Numicon piece here. I've got my number 10 Numicon piece, and I've got a number 6 Numicon piece. So I've got 10 and 6. Shall we count to see if that's 16? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've got 16. This is how you make 16 in Numicon. But you could make it in different ways. You could make it in different ways. I've got 2 other pieces here. I've got a number 9 piece of Numicon, and I've got a number 7 piece of Numicon. 9 and 7. Let's see if we put those together. Let's have a look to see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 and 7 make 16 as well. And I've also got 2 8 pieces of Numicon. 2 8 pieces. Let's add them together. Zoop! We've added them together. Let's count how many we've got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But there are other ways you can make 16. So I would like you to have a go at making 16 in different ways. So we are going to write some of these ways on with our part whole models. So let's first of all do our circle and put number 16. That's the whole number 16. And now we need to crash 16. We need to split 16 up to work out how to make different ways to make 16. So I have got 16 cubes here, and I'm going to split 16 cubes up. So I'm going to get my 16. Do you want to check I've got 16? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Phew, I've got 16. So we're going to split 16 up. So let's just split it up like this. So 16. So we've got 2. So this one will go in here and this one will go in here. So Mrs. Luther's just going to pop them on the table at the moment, and let's count how many will go in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put 10 in here. So there's 10 on this side. And then how many will be on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 on this side. So we know that 16 is made of 10 and it's made of 6. So we could write a number sentence. We could write 10 add 6 equals 16. We've also worked that out on our Numicon, haven't we? Because we had 10 and we had 6. 10 add 6 equals 16. That's how numbers are made. Inside, all of these numbers are all numbers that are smaller than them. That's how numbers build up and build up. That's why it's so important to work out what 2 numbers go together to make all different numbers. It's an exciting game to play. So we've worked that one out. I wonder if we could make it a different way. So I'm going to do another 16 here. There's our 16. And I'm going to do our circles. So I need to make sure I put 16 together again. I've got my 16. So let's split it apart. This time I'm going to split it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do 9. I'm going to split it. I've split it. So let's have a look. I'll pop that there. In this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this one, there's 9. Let's have a look how many there are in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in this one. So this time 16 is made a different way. 16 is made of 9 and 7. So again we can write that as a number sentence. 10 add 7. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Luther got that wrong, didn't she? 9 add 7 equals 16. And that just shows it's okay to make mistakes because we can spot our mistakes and that's how we learn better. So I spotted my mistake and I changed it. 9 add 7 is 16. We've got it with our Numicon. 9 and 7, when we put them together, they make 16. Now I've got one more way to make 16. Do you remember I had my 8 and 8? 8 and 8 make 16. So let's see if I can split my cubes into 2. Split it into 8 and 8. Oh, Mrs. Blueface's not doing this very well, is she? 8 and 8. So I've got my 8 and 8. 8 and 8. Same as these two together. 8 and 8. 8 add 8 when we put them together is 16. What does that tell you about number 8? It means that double 8 is the same as 16. So we've doubled 8. 8 and 8, if we double 8, it makes 16. But it also means if we half 8, if we half 16, half 16, and we get 8. So we can work these numbers, and we can do lots and lots of investigations with numbers and really come out with our wonderful number facts. So we've done some part-part whole models, but I was wondering if we could do an addition sentence. So Mrs. Blueface is just going to rub out our part-part whole models, and I'm going to give you an addition sentence to work out for me. And we're going to use our number line this time. So let me think. I think we're going to have number 13. 13 add 3 equals 13 add 3. Now you could do it using some cubes, or you could do it on a number line. So we've got 13. So circle your number 13, and we're going to add 3. 13 add 3. So how many bunny hops do we do? That's right, 3 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3. And we get to number 16. 13 add 3 is 16. But once we've done it on our number line, we need to write that, don't we? So we've got 13. Oh, it's rubbed off. 13 add 3 is what? 16. That's right. We could do it a different way though. What if I put, I'll choose a different number sentence this time. What if I put 14 add something equals 16? 14 add something equals 16. Let's go to our number line and let's have a look. So we started off number 14. So we've got to circle number 14. Circle number 14. And we needed to get to number 16, didn't we? So let's do some bunny hops to see how many bunny hops we need to do to get to 16. So we'll go 14, 15, 16. How many bunny hops are there? 1, 2. So we know what this number will be. 14 add 2 is 16. I wonder if you can have a go at doing some number sentences like that, because that's a big challenge. I think all of you are really good if we give you number sentences like this top one. 13 add 3 equals what? But I am challenging you to see if you can do number sentences with a number add something that you've got to find out equals 16. I wonder if you can work those out for me. Okay, so we've done adding. We're now going to do some taking away. So we're taking away from 16. So we've got 16, take away. How many shall we take away? I think we might take away just 1. 16, take away 1. So we could do it with our cubes. We've got 16. Always check you've got the right number before you start taking away, because otherwise you won't get the right answer. So let's just check. I've got 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Phew, I've got 16. And I needed to take away 1. So I take away 1. How many have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got 15. I think you would have known that anyway, because you know that 1 less than 16 is 15. We're now going to do 16. Take away 5. Let's do 16, take away 5. Again, you can do it with some cubes or some toys or any objects. Get 16 objects and take 5 away. Or you can do it on a number line. So I've got 16, circle your 16, and you're going to take away 5. So let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what number do I get to? I get to number 11. So 16 take away 5 is 11. Now I'd like you to try and do a lot of taking away sentences. I'm not going to do any more, show you anymore, because you're so good at doing that. You can use number lines to take away. You can use objects to take away. Or if you've got Numicon, you can use Numicon. So that's taking away. Now I know we normally do sharing. And I just thought, do you know what? I am going to challenge you to work out how you can share 16 with 4 people. If you've got 4 people and you've got 16 cubes, how many would they get each? I wonder if you could work that out and write it down for me. You could draw pictures. You could do a number sentence. So 16 shared between 4 people. I want you to work that out. You could also, for number 16, find things in your house that measure 16 centimetres. Find number 16 on a ruler. Remember, a ruler is like a number line. Find 16 on the ruler and then measure 16 centimetres. You could weigh things in your house that might be 16 grams. Or you could find 16 in coins. Now I'm just going to show you, Mrs. Luther is just going to rub this off, and I've got 16 1p coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've got my 16 1p's here, and that makes 16 pence. I wonder, can you remember from the coins we've used before how we could change it? That's right, we could swap the coins, couldn't we? So I wonder, should we swap them from 2p's? So I need to take 2 1p's off is the same as a 2p coin. So we'll swap that one, and let's swap these. There we go. And let's swap another 2. 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 And let's swap the last 2. And let's see how many we've got now. Remember, they're not 1p's, they're 2p's, so we need to count in 2. So let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We've made 16p using 2p's. I wonder if we could swap 2p's for a 10p. Shall we see if we can swap it? Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. And let's put our 10p up. So we've got 10 and 2, add 2, add 2. So 10, 12, 14, 16. We've made 16p. wonder if you can have an investigate and see how you can make 16p using coins. Okay, have a great week. 16 is our number of the week. Watch number 16 number block, because the number blocks are brilliant to watch and get an idea of what number 16 looks like on the number blocks. And you can do number 16 worksheets. You can do lots and lots of investigations for number 16. We can't wait to see what you've come up with for number 16 and the number 16 facts that you know. All right, have a lovely week. Bye-bye.